Link is an exciting partnership that continues to grow between the EVSC and Amcor, designed specifically for our juniors and seniors who are ready to take the next step toward their future. Through Link, students can jumpstart careers in manufacturing and logistics while still earning their high school diploma. Participants attend class in an on-site classroom where they receive hands-on instruction and real-world lab experience. This program goes beyond traditional coursework. Students gain valuable workplace skills, industry knowledge, and professional experience at Amcor that prepares them for success after graduation. Following successful completion of the program, Amcor will establish a working relationship with our graduates who are interested in becoming future employees, creating a direct pathway from high school to career. Let's take a closer look at how Link is helping our students build their futures today.
Your first year you're being here, you're with like a whole bunch of other schools. You get to know more people instead of just being at your home school. I started working my junior year, and based off of my junior year, I liked working here. I like it. It's an easy way to start off getting on your feet right out of high school, I feel like.
It's to let kids see the inner workings of an actual facility. We actually work with supply chain and logistics, and we have 25 juniors, 25 seniors, and it's just giving them work experience, real life experience. And we're actually based inside the actual warehouse, which I think is a unique opportunity for the kids. They're outside of the school, and they actually get to come to work every day.
It builds such a relationship, not only with the EVSC and every school, but we're building a relationship with the kids that are here. And it allows us to get in early and kind of show what we have. You'd be surprised at the number of people that don't understand what is in Evansville for them to be able to do. So getting that exposure to them early really helps in keeping them in Evansville and helping them grow and us grow. And it's another avenue for us to find employees.
I've learned a lot. Like people come in starting as operators, move their way up to the director of the entire plant, which is really cool to me, that I could work my way up and possibly become some higher than currently an operator. Getting a paycheck, I mean, it's life-changing in my opinion. Especially there's some kids in high school who have no jobs, no income. And I mean, I'm able to come here every day, work, make some money. Shows me a little bit of life experience.
Well, it lets them learn a lot of different things. Like they have the bank come out and talk to them about saving their money. It teaches them that they have to be responsible, call in for their jobs and do a good job out there on the floor. And they can see where this can take them. Our first group, we have 2 guys that are in maintenance now because they got to shadow the maintenance department, and the guys in there really liked what they saw. So it's a good opportunity.
I've had so many opportunities from it. Like I've worked in maintenance and I've got an opportunity for tech, I've got an opportunity for QA, and I like that.